Welcome to the Bogart Effect, a wealthy wisdom podcast. Please see important disclosure information at the end of the presentation. And they asked us this question point blank of, we need your help when we have our life event. For a lot of our customers, it's retirement. But then after that, it becomes a conversation of what's the value after that life event. So Mike, do you want to kick us off here, talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think a lot of people end up hiring an advisor pretty close to retirement or leading up to retirement. And they think that once they hit retirement, then it's done. Candidly, I believe, and I think we as a firm believe, that retirement planning is something that's never done. And you've got a whole long time period after retirement, 30, 20 years that you have to plan for. And a lot of times that planning process is just ongoing. We like to do it at least once a year as far as updating plans and things like that. But a lot of things can change over the course of someone's life, not only leading up to retirement, but post-retirement as well. So like I said, I really like to emphasize that we think retirement planning is something that's never done.
But let's go a little deeper, Mike, because, and obviously we're a little biased. This is what we do. But when we talk about retirement planning, it's not just cash flow analysis, right? I mean, for a lot of our clients, we're going a lot deeper than just, do you have enough money? And in a lot of instances, it's building enhancements and integrations within things, for example, tax strategy. Tax is a big part of what we do. Estate planning strategy, insurance strategies, things related to heirs, kids, gifting strategies, as an example. So let's go a little deeper, right? When I talk about tax strategy, what does that mean?
Yeah, so tax strategies can mean a number of different things.
The previous podcast was intended for general information purposes only. The information discussed is no substitute for personalized investment advice from Bogart or another investment professional. Different types of investments involve varying degrees of risk, and it should not be assumed that the future performance of any specific investment, strategy, or service will be profitable, suitable, or successful. Bogart is not a law firm or accounting firm, and no portion of its services should be construed as legal or accounting advice. There is no guarantee a client will experience a certain level of results if Bogart is engaged. Our brochure describing services and fees can be found at www.bogartwealth.com.